Hello, in this video we will be showing you how you can access the Sage Journals e-resource off campus. On the library guide page, just scroll down to the main menu and click on the Access e-resources icon. From the list of options available, just click on the Journals icon. Now on the Journals page, just scroll down until you come across the Sage Journals logo and then just click on that. Now on the Sage Journals page, just click on the logo at the top of the page to access this e-resource. You should now find yourself on the Sage Journals web page. On the top right of the screen, you will see an Access Profile icon. Just click on that, and from the drop-down menu, just click on the View Access Options button. Now on the Access Options page, on the right side of the screen, you should see an Institution section. Just click on the Access for your institution button. You'll now be asked to search for your institution. Where it asks you to enter in your institution's name, just type in Northwest Regional College. And when that appears as an option underneath, just select that. And finally, you'll now be asked for your username and password. Just enter in your 8-digit user ID, followed by your password, and then finally click the Login button.